Constitutional values. Constitutional means rules for governing a state. So, the constitutional values are: first, safeguard public properties, means you should not throw waste in public properties like park, playground, etc. Second, maintain unity and integrity of the nation, means maintain unity and to be honest with the nation. Third, develop scientific attitude, means develop self confidence, accept the good and bad results, open mindedness, try to know about the fact, etc. Fourth, protect natural resources, means plant a tree, stop throwing waste in your surrounding, don't waste water because water is a precious. Precious means very important. Next, care for the environment, means you should not cut the trees. Keep your environment clean. God has given green, we should keep it clean. Next, honor national symbol, means we should honor our national flag and emblem. Respect martyrs and their sacrifices, means we should remember the sacrifices of our soldiers for the sake of country. Martyr means the soldiers who died while fighting for our nation. Preserve our cultural values and heritage. Heritage means a property which is given by our parents. Next, develop patriotism. Patriotism means is the feeling of love upon our country. So children, being a citizen of a particular country, we have to follow certain rules like care for our environment, we have to protect natural resources, we have to keep clean our surrounding, and we have to protect our public properties so we can use it later on, and like this develop scientific attitudes, so we have to think this problem, we can solve these problems for the sake of people, for the sake of country, and maintain unity among the people and keep discipline in the public places, preserve culturals and heritage, whatever we are getting from our parents, that we have to try to preserve it, to maintain it, to regulate it, isn't it? And develop patriotism, okay, that is more important for us. Children, let us know, do not break the rules, do not spit on the road and dump garbage anywhere. Do not pollute or spoil lands and waters. Do not burn the old objects in streets, and do not break the white pumpkin on the roads. Let us do this activity. Match the following. Match peace to Mother Teresa. Match environment to tree. Bus is the public property. National symbol match to our national flag, and scientific attitude goes to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, citizenship is the right to live in a best way as a civilian. This includes a person's participations in government activities too. Means any person with any language or religion can participate in government activities like election. Come to the next page. Here factors means point or part or element or items. So points that enrich good values are: first point, literacy, which means our education. The next point is awareness and interest. Third point, try hard till you get success. Fourth point, evaluate oneself. So it is based on our attitude, and we have to consult about it from others people, and we should ask opinion about others, and we have to pre-plan about it. So from this we can do our problem in a easy way. Acceptance. Self-confidence means belief in oneself. So children, good values are enriched us through confidence. Confidence can develop by yourself. How it will develop? It will develop by education. It will develop by knowledge. From all those things we can develop a good values upon yourself, isn't it? Now concentrate on this point. Each student should be thought to be hygienic. Hygienic means clean, which is the most significant part of good values. Significant means important. One must follow the routine below. Wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear shoes or slippers, trim your hair and cut the nails regularly, wash hands before and after meals, etc. So, children, I hope you have understood the lesson clearly and its value. So, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.